comes Kitty Cat.
Mm-hmm.
Kitty Cat is hungry.
That's right.
Now what?
Turn the page.
You can do it anytime.
Mm-hmm.
Here is a butterfly. Here comes Kitty Cat.
Very good.
Look at the butterfly.
Mm-hmm.
Kitty Cat is hungry. Here is a lizard. Here comes Kitty Cat.
Good job.
Look at the lizard. Here is Fat Cat. Okay, here comes Kitty Cat.
Very good.
Fat Cat is hungry too. Look at Fat Cat.
Good job.
Come here, Kitty Cat.
Good job. You
Can
got
we
the whole
watch the
thing.
show?